Mangaluru, 6 expert PU college students score 100 percentile in JEE Mains 2025. AP DSE Recruitment 2025 begins. Apply now for 16,347 teacher posts. UK Board Class 10-12 results 2025 declared. Girls outshine boys. Anushka Rana tops Class 12. Delhi University's VC Summer Internship 2025. Apply by April 30. DEI rollbacks threaten support for students of color across US campuses. Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top news are: in a remarkable achievement, 6 students from Expert PU College Mangaluru have scored 100 percentile in JEE Mains 2025. 5 students Manish Yal, KR Rutvik, Shivang Gowda S. Patil, Bhuvanesh Yam V and Shreya S. Patil scored 100 percentile in physics, while Safal S. Shetty achieved the same in chemistry. Additionally, 31 students scored above 99 percentile and 405 students scored above 90 percentile across Experts Kodailbel and Valachhalli campus. Top general category ranks include Avanish B with 1050 and Lohit G with 1884. Several other achievers and top category wise ranking. The institution chairman, Professor Nagendra L. Nayak, congratulated the students and faculty for their outstanding performance and consistent academic excellence. The Andhra Pradesh government has officially launched the Mega DSE Recruitment 2025, opening for 16,347 teacher vacancies. Applications can be submitted online from April 20 to May 15 at the official website of. The total posts, 1,488, are the district level and 2,259 are at the state and zonal level. The recruitment drive fulfills a promise made by the TDP-led NDA government. In its manifesto, the computer-based exams will be conducted from June 6 to July 6, 2025. To apply, candidates must register on the portal, complete their personal details, upload the required documents and pay the application fee. An edit window, city intimation slips and admit cards will follow after the application deadline. Aspirants are advised to monitor the official site regularly for updates and instructions. The Uttarakhand Board of School Education declared that the Class 10 and 12 results on April 19 at 11 am. This year, the Class 10 passed percentage rose up to 90.77% with Justin Joshi and Kamal Chauhan jointly topping. In Class 12, 88.20 passed and Anushka Rana emerged as the topper. A total of 1,13,238 students registered with 99,725 passing. Girls outperformed boys in both classes. 93.25% of girls passed compared to 88.20% of boys. Results can be checked at the official website and exams were held from February 21 to March 11, 2025. The online mark sheet are provisional and students must collect the original from their schools. Compared to last year, both pass percentage have increased. The University of Delhi has opened applications for its 2025 summer internship under the Vice Chancellor Internship Scheme. Open to all regular undergraduate and postgraduate students, the internship is excluded for final year students and past participants of the VCIS. The 2-month program running from June to July 2025 requires a 20 hours weekly commitment and offers a monthly stipend of Rs 11,025. Successful interns will receive certificate from the Dean of Students' Welfare. Students must apply online at the official website by April 30, 2025. A letter of recommendation dated on or after April 15 from the principal or HOD is mandatory. Visit latest at DU section to find the VCIS application link and complete the form with all the required documents before submitting. Across US universities, diversity, equity, and inclusion programs are being dismantled amid growing political pressure, particularly under the Trump administration. Citing a February federal directive to remove race conscious practices, institutions are eliminating scholarships, shutting down diversity offices, and canceling cultural events. At the University of Michigan, students like Brina Iris Rosario says that it feels like we are going backwards, while case of Western Reserve University has replaced its DEI office entirely. Students across campuses from the University of Virginia to Michigan report a growing sense of isolation and invisibility. Critics such as commentator Christopher Rufo, advocate of investigations and funding cuts. As universities face a choice between compliance and inclusion, students of colors ask, without support system, how do we belong? That's all for today's news. Signing off with Pallavi Kulkarni. For more such news and detailed information, log into our website www.theENN.com, powered by Education Today. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel.